In last class we were continuing exercise 3.1. okay, so we are studying exercise 3.1. in today's class we will continue this. Now see here, match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. Here column 1 and column 2 they have given, we have to match this. Now see here 35. So what 35, this is the number, right? Now we have to match this in column 2. Okay, 35 is a multiple of 7. Yes or no? 35 is a multiple of 7. Yes, see here, solution. First answer is what? B. Yes or no? 35 is a multiple of 7. Now what about second one? 15. So what about 15? 15 is a factor of 30. Yes or no? 15 is a factor of 30. Second answer is D. Then 16. Say what this 16 is here? 16 is a multiple of 8. Yes or no? 8 2s are 16. So how we are going to obtain the multiples? If you want the multiples of 2, means we have to go on multiplying by natural numbers. Yes or no? See here, 16 is a multiple of 8. Third answer is A. Say what about 20? 20 is a factor of 20. Yes or no? 20 is a factor of 20. So fourth answer is F. Now what about fifth answer? 25. So what about 25? 25 is a factor of 50. Yes or no? 25 is a factor of 50. Fifth answer is E. Okay. So this is about the exercise 3.1 third main. Fourth main you solve by yourself. So here this exercise 3.1 we are going to complete. The next concept we are going to see, that is prime numbers. So now the next concept we are studying is prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. So first we will see what are these prime numbers. Okay. So I will write the definitions here. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are one and the number itself are called prime numbers. So just read this definition, you will understand anything here. The numbers other than 1, leaving the number 1, whose only factors are 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. See here, to know these prime numbers, you should have to know what is the meaning of factor. In last class I explained you what is the meaning of factor. The number which divides the given number exactly, then such numbers are nothing but the factors of the given number. Now see here, here 12 I will give. Now see here, What are the factors of this 12, students? Here I told you 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Now the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Why these are the factors of 12? Because these numbers divide the given number exactly. That's why these are the factors of 12. Is it understood? In last class we had discussed about it. Now what this definition is telling about prime numbers. The numbers other than 1. The number leaving the number 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Now see here, I will give a number 3. Now tell me what are the factors of 3, students? I will give you a number 3. So what are the factors of 3? 1 3s are 3. Yes? What are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Now see one more example here, 5. So what are the factors of 5? This 5 can be written as 1 5s are. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Now see here, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So what this definition is telling? The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. Now see here, the factors of 3 are 1 and the number itself. The factors of 5 are 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers means it should have only 2 factors, that is 1, the number 1 and the number itself. Now see here, what are the factors of 7? The factors of 7 are 1 7. Therefore 7 is called a prime number. Now take 11. What are the factors of 11? 1 11. Therefore 11 is a prime number. What about 13? What are the factors of 13? 1 13. Yes, only 1 and 13 are the factors of 13. Therefore 13 is a prime number. So what about 17? What are the factors of 17? 1 17. Yes, see what are the factors of 17? This 17 can be written as 1 17s are 17. Only 1 and 17 are the factors of 17. Yes, understand? What is the meaning of prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers which has only 2 factors, that is the number itself and 1. Then such numbers are called prime numbers. Now see here, for this I will give example. For example 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 etc. See here, 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 2. Only 1 2 are the factors of 2. Therefore 2 is a prime number. So what are the factors of 3? 1 3. 1 and the number itself. What are the factors of 5? 1 5. What are the factors of this 7? 1 7. 1 and the number itself. Then such numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, this is very basic concept you have to understand. So next we will see what is this composite numbers. The next definition is composite numbers. We will write the definitions here. Numbers having more than 2 factors composite numbers. Now see here, numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now see here students, 4. Now what are the factors of 4? Tell me. So this 4 can be written as 1 4s, yes, 2 2s, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now what are the factors of 4? The factors of 4 are 1 2 4. Yes or no? Now see, numbers having more than 2 factors. So this number have more than 2 factors, 1 2 3. This number 4 has 3 factors. Yes or no? Then such numbers are called composite numbers. Composite numbers means numbers having more than 2 factors. It should have more than 2 factors, and such numbers are called composite numbers. Now say, what about 9? Is 9 is a composite number? See, 9. What are the factors of 9? 1 3, yes, 9. 1 3 9 are the factors of this 9. Yes or no? 1 3 9 are the factors of this 9. So how many? 1 2 3. 9 have 3 factors. So leaving 1 and the number itself, it has 3 as a factor of 9. Yes or no? Then such numbers are called what? Composite numbers. So we will write an example. See an example. 4 6 8 10 12 14 etc. Okay. Any number which has a factor 1 and the number itself, then such numbers are called prime numbers. What are composite numbers? Numbers having more than 2 factors, then such numbers are called composite numbers. So this is about prime numbers and composite numbers. Now see here, then what about this 1? Now see students, this 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. This is very very important note you have to remember. See a note, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So this 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. You have to remember this. So next we will solve one example. We will take one example. So write all the prime numbers. Write all the prime numbers less than 15. Now see a solution. Now see, I will write all the numbers up to 15, less than 15 they are told, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now you tell me one by one. We know that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, they are told less than 15. Now tell me, is 2 is a prime number? What is prime number? It should have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Here 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2. Therefore, this 2 is a prime number. Then what about this 3? 3 has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. This 3 is also a prime number. What about 4? 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number because it has how many factors? 6 has 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 factors. Therefore, this is not a prime number. 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. So what we can tell? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So write all the prime number less than 15. What are the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are the prime numbers less than 15. Then next we will see what are even numbers. Now see students, what is even numbers? See all those numbers which are multiples of 2. All those numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Say all those numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even number. Say for example, two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, on continuing. See here, all those numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. See here, what is the meaning of multiple? How we are going to obtain the multiple? If you want the multiple of 2 means go on multiplying it by natural numbers. Yes, we are going to get the multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. See, all these numbers are called multiples of 2. Therefore, these are even numbers. Then what about odd numbers? All those numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Sorry, are called odd numbers. All those numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called what? Odd numbers. See, all those numbers which are not multiples of 2, okay, are called what? Odd numbers. Multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Say for example, 3, 5, 7, 9, okay, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on. Now see here, all those numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. All those numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Now this is about the prime numbers we have learned, what is composite numbers we have learned, and what are even numbers and what are odd numbers we have learned. So next we will see the note. Here very important note are there. Note. So first one, the number 2. The number 2 is the only even prime number. Is the only even prime number. Now see here, this 2 is there, no? This 2 is the even number. This 2 is the only even prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers which has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Now see here, this 2 is the only even prime number. Now see here, these all are even numbers. Here 2 is the only even prime number. This you have to remember. See here, what we can tell? The number 2 is the only even number. All other numbers are composite numbers. Next, every prime number except 2, every prime number except 2 is odd. Now, every prime number except 2 is odd. Means what? See here, take prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. See, once more I will tell which are the prime numbers. I will write here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. Then 17, 19, okay, and go on. So these are the prime numbers, okay. Now see here, in this all prime numbers you see, here 2 is what? 2 is even number, yes or no? In this all prime number, only 2 is what here? Except 2. See, every prime number except 2 is odd. See here, these all are the prime number. Here 2 is even, yes. Here other all prime numbers are odd. See, leaving 2, all other numbers are what? All other numbers are odd. So this you have to remember. The number 2 is the only even prime number. And second point, every prime number except 2 is odd. So based on this, now we are going to solve the exercise. So the exercise 3.2. The first one, so what is the sum of any two, first one, odd numbers and second one, even numbers. So they are asking here, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? If you take two odd numbers, the answer will be odd or even, they are asking. We will see here, okay? We will verify that. So tell me any two odd number, students. Okay, no problem, I will only take the two odd numbers, okay? 3 is an odd number and 5 is also odd number. What are the odd number? Those numbers which are not the multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Definitely here 3 and 5 are what? 3 and 5 are odd numbers only. Yes or no? These are not the multiples of 2. Now see, if I add this, 3 plus 5 is what, students? 8. Now tell me, this 8 is even number or odd number? Here 8 is even number. Take one more example. 7 is odd number. Okay? 7 plus 9 is also odd number. Yes or no? 7 and 9 are odd number because these are not the multiples of 2. So what is 7 plus 9? 7 plus 9 is 16. Now tell me, is this 16 is even number or odd number? This is even number. Now what we can tell that sum of any two odd numbers is even number. The sum of any two odd number is even number. Say first one, the sum of any two odd numbers, the sum of any two odd numbers is even number. Now what about this? If you take two even numbers, if you add it, the answer will be a even number or odd number. Take any two even numbers. 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. The 6 is a even number. Then 6 plus 8. 14. 14 is a even number. What we can tell? The sum of any two even number is even number only. The sum of any two even number is even number. The sum of any two even numbers is even number. Okay, so this is about the first main. Now see a second main. They told state whether the following statements are true or false. In that only few I will solve, the rest all you have to try it. So second means state whether the following statements are true or false. Say A, the sum of three odd numbers is even. Now tell me students, is this correct? The sum of three odd number is even. Is it correct? Now we will take one example and we will see. Take any three odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? Odd numbers are those which are not the multiples of 2. I will take here three odd numbers. 3, 5, 7. Now add this. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Is this 15 is a even number? No. This is odd number, right? What we can tell that the sum of three odd numbers is odd only. So this statement is false. The sum of three odd numbers is what? Odd. Okay. See, I will go for the C1. The product of three odd number is odd. The product of three odd number is odd. Means take any three odd numbers and multiply and check it, the answer will come odd or even. Now see here, odd numbers 3, 5 and 7. Now we will see whether the answer will come odd or even. 3 5s are 15. 15 7s are 7 5s are 35. 7 is 7. 7 plus 3 is, it is 105. Now see here, this 105 is odd number. This 105 is odd number. Now see here students, how we will come to know this is odd number means here, if in units place 0, 2, 4 6, 8 is there, means this is a even number. If in unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if in unit place, if these are the digits 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then this is a even number. Now here 5 is there, definitely this is a odd number. So then what we can tell? The product of 3 odd number is definitely a odd number only. This statement is true. So we will consider one more here. Say even all prime numbers are odd. All prime numbers are odd. So what you tell about this, student? Just think of it. All prime numbers are odd. Just give your work to your brain and answer this. Is all prime numbers are odd? So now I will write here, okay, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, not 15, 17, 19 and so on. Now see here, all prime numbers are odd, okay. Here 2 is what here? This 2 is even number, no? Yes? Here these all are what? Odd numbers. Now what we can tell here? Is all prime numbers are odd? No, this statement is false. Okay? Now we will consider one more. So H1, 2 is the only even prime number. Now what you tell about this? 2 is the only even prime number, is it correct? See, I will write once again prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, okay, then 17, 19, okay, and it will go on continuing. Now see here, 2 is the only even prime number. Is this is correct here? We can see here, right? 2 is the only even prime number. Here all these are what? Odd prime numbers. Yes? So this statement is true. So next to take last one, that is J. The product of two even numbers is always even. The product of two even numbers is always even. So what you tell about this? The product of two even number is always even. Take any two even numbers. 2 multiplied by 4 is what? 8. 2 4s are 8. We are getting answer what here? Even. Now 2 multiplied by 17. 2 7s are 14. Okay. Okay, here it should be even numbers. Okay, you have to take two even numbers. Here 7 is not a even number. 2 multiplied by 10 is a even number. 2 10s are 20. 6 is a even number, right? 6 multiplied by 4. 4 is also even number. 6 4s are 24. See, the product of two even number is always even. What we can tell about this statement? This is true. Okay. So in next class we are going to continue this exercise. Thank you.